Alright, so we're now going to get deeper into the installation process by selecting the language. So we're using the United States, English, keyboard layout, to using the same US, and we want to skip this process. Currently don't have access to the internet. We skip this process as well. Alright, so here we're going to enter the name of the user. And we have used trainee for that. And we select next. And we're now going to enter a memorable password. So we have entered that password, and now we're going to confirm the password. And select next. Now we're going to enter the security question section. Because this is just a demo, I'm going to put dog. For this answer. Select next. City. We're born with Kingston. Select next. Third security question. School attended. We're just going to put here. And select next. When you want to accept, just select accept here. And accept again. And now we're almost through with the process. Alright, so our installation of Windows 10 Pro is now complete. So we would have just added one account to user trainee. So now we're going to proceed to add 2 additional accounts. So we go to control panel, we go to accounts, we then go to add new user. Just add someone to this PC. So name here is going to be instructor. So the username is instructor, and we're going to choose an appropriate password. I'm going to retype. And then we select the security questions. And And then for demo purposes, we're going to use the same answers. So this was dog. Security question 2. Born. 0. So would have used the same security questions just for demo purposes, but you would have changed these to reflect the level of security that would be required for this account. Now we've added that other person, then we go another. Then we're going to have this be administrator. Password again. Retype password. And we're going to be doing the security questions being the same. So we would have added all of that information. Now we're going to select next. So I'm going to change this to Lab Tech. And the next. Alright, so let's close this. We're going to now navigate from here, restart PC. And now we have these accounts set up. So we have trainee, which is the administrator. We need to change that. So we change. So we have to first change Lab Tech to be administrator. We change. So Lab Tech is now administrator. And now we change trainee to standard user. All right. And also instructor would have been a standard user. So we have the Lab Tech as the administrator. And there you go. We have now just installed and configured accounts, 3 accounts to use Windows 10 Pro on this machine. Thank you for viewing, and we look forward to your subscription. Thank you.